Manasic Ring, Golden Nebula, Rings of Alcyon, Photon Belt, band names. It's so metal. The Pleiadian system is mentioned. They show diagrams with toruses because that's mathematically cool, and it's first day at 3D mapping program class, and, well, you know, there's all these, you know, pages, and a photon belt discovered by satellites, quote-unquote, that encircles the Pleiades in the same year Yuri Gagarin orbited Earth, and it was discovered 27,000 years ago. 100% can't debunk it, in this copper, brass, gold leaf thingy that wasn't at all an outhouse symbol on the door. Next, our sun orbits this 8 light-year core of Pleiades in 26,000 years, and it midpoints every 12,500 years, bringing 2,000 years of non-physical enlightenment energy of etheric, spiritual, and photonic nature. And I'm a ballerina in a tartan tutu riding a unicycle because it was discovered in 1859, not 1961. Our sun doesn't orbit a 424 light-year away Pleiades cluster. We're moving away from it. This animation, which I flipped so I don't have to cross my eyes, if you want to, you can share with me the wonderful 3D-ness. Ooh, that cluster, which you can see moving to midpoint, and now it's moving to the lower right-hand corner of this really poorly done animation, shows that it's not a static object, it's orbiting itself, if anything, and this is a time-lapse for thousands of years of probable star position changes. So it won't even be the same cluster. It is clustered. It's a cluster of some sort. Photons orbiting any object would require the tidal forces near the Schwarzschild radius of a black hole, which is by definition not a star cluster because it's actually pretty small. Anything further away would require it just be material, because photons are subatomic particles. They're very light, and they tend to go in a straight line. So photons wouldn't form a band, a circle, a ring to rule them all. Particle alignment with magnetic fields between the stars in the Pleiades cluster appears streaky, and sometimes, to some people, appear to be, this doesn't look at all like a band. Classified secret Omega Astronomy Planet X9 Jesuit Vatican, your mom. Look, these people who keep posting this crap, who are wanting you to be super spiritual, don't want you to do something simple. Get a telescope and look at the Merope Reflection Nebula, which is what it is. There are lots of pictures of it. It appears streaky, and in certain light frequencies it looks really cool looking. But that would require you to get out of the house, get a telescope and a camera, and take pictures of it. There's a lot of stuff in the universe that's really, really cool looking. None of it is confirmation biasing your belief system, vindicating your Vatican, or propping up your Pope. Okay? So this is crap, and this is what's in the sky. There's a difference. One of these is poorly drawn and is used to sell books about someone's feelings because they had a dream one night. Yes, that's where this actually came from. And the discovery in 18 whatever was just that you could see, if you wanted to look up, something really cool looking in the sky. And for some people, literally looking up at the sky once in a while and noticing things they didn't notice when they were younger is a sign of the end of the world, the apocalypse. It's a sign that they might pay attention, or it's a Mandela effect. Instead of just being people looking in the universe to discover how it works, instead of looking at a piece of paper that's 2,000 years old that lied about it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I wish everyone luck with that.